DuraForm PAx Natural. This week on Audio Materials, we're going to talk about a new selective laser sintering material, DuraForm PAx Natural. This particular material has really tough, high elongation, high impact properties, can be used for a wide variety of applications just due to the toughness you see in this material. In addition, it has really good isotropic properties for an SLS type material. And you'll see that as you go to the data sheet and start going through and look at the different materials and look at the isotropic properties as well as the compatibility properties and the long-term stability properties of this material. Another great feature about this material is the high recyclability and the printability of this material. Has some really great features. And so today, to talk about these, I brought one of my colleagues, Dr. Sevi Kojagos, and she's going to talk about some of these features with you. Dr. Kojagos?
Sure, thanks, Marty. Yes, what we saw with this material, even with the high recyclability, we didn't see any reduction in the printability, the mechanical properties, nor the surface properties, the surface quality of the parts in hand. We saw significant advantages to also the excess material. The part cake is being used in a sustainable manner, so you're ending up with less waste.
When you compare this to something like a nylon 11, are there any real advantages to this material versus a material like that?
Yes, so this material operates on a much lower temperature for part printing, and that leads to improved breakout times because you can remove the parts from the printer much sooner, start breakout much more quickly, as well as the soft part cake, due to the lower temperatures of printing, leads to easier breakout, so it's less labor intensive and you get your parts in hand much quicker throughout the whole printing cycle.
Nice, nice. And those are really great advantages because when you're running this in those systems, being able to print clean, being able to print fast and maintain the kind of quality you're getting at that high 30% fresh recycle rate, those are big advantages for this material. So we're really excited about this material, really excited to see what kind of applications you're going to do with the DuraForm PAx Natural.